finally I'm labeling my patch bay with PatchCAD, so I can instantly see how everything in the front is wired on the back. So in today's video we're gonna dive into PatchCAD and take another step in organizing the studio. Because at the end of the day, a clean setup means a better workflow.
If you want to try this yourself, you can find PatchCAD online. I leave a link in the description so you can check it out and get started. There are plenty of built-in templates, and if you need something else, you can request it. There are two versions. The cheaper one works perfectly fine for me. Select your template, add your labels, and the preview updates at the bottom. And this is the custom template I created for my studio, based on how everything is connected, with a few tweaks already in place for some upcoming studio upgrades. Now all that is left is to print everything out and go grab it from the printer, which in my case means a quick trip to the house. Next up, I'm cutting out all the label strips and sizing them so they can fit perfectly on the patch base. Now all that's left is to stick them onto the patch base.
And that's it, my patch bays are finally clean and easy to use. And I already made some adjustment in the templates for upcoming changes to my desk and my 19-inch rack. So I hope you liked it. Please subscribe so you can follow my progress, and see you in the next video.